iCloud Mail not receiving emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can solve if iCloud Mail is not receiving emails. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have iCloud or Apple Mail here and you're not receiving emails there are a couple of reasons on how you can fix it. First, open settings, tap your Apple ID profile, go to iCloud. Here you will see the status of your iCloud mail. If you haven't set it up, you will see the setup option, and if you haven't set it up, you will not receive emails, of course. Otherwise, even if you have set it up, you might see an off toggle like this, so you might want to tap on that and make sure to turn on your Apple Mail. Now once you've done that, if it's still not working, it could be that your iCloud storage is full. So just like Gmail, when your Google Drive storage is full, you will not be able to receive more Gmail. Similarly, when your iCloud storage is full, you will not be able to receive emails, and the storage is usually filled up by the photos that you might have backed up to iCloud. Apple only gives you 5 gigabytes for free, while Google gives you 15 gigabytes for free. So this is really not fair. It's really not enough. If you want to back up some photos over there, then you can simply try to go ahead and then basically find that out. This way you should be able to fix iCloud Mail not receiving emails. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.